Hi guys, welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Smitha. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you a very traditional Karwachauth look. It's very simple but looks elegant at the same time, and it's so easy to pull it off. So it's very easy for any of you to recreate this. And if you do, please don't forget to tag me on social media. I've listed all the links in the description box right below this video. Now without further ado, let's begin. I'm going to start with a moisturizer. This is the Ice Moisturizer by Sunday Riley. This is ceramide enriched and keeps your skin looking smooth and balanced and ageless throughout the day. And then to brighten my under eye, I'm going to be using the Illuminating Eye Cream. This is a brightening eye cream by Laura Mercier. That'll help to smoothen out the under eye for a flawless concealer application. And to keep my lips hydrated, I'm using a lip balm by Ofra Cosmetics. Once everything is absorbed in my skin, which takes about 5 minutes, I'm going with a primer. This is the ColourPop Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Acid Primer. I'm applying a generous amount, not just to make my face smooth, but also to make it a little bit tacky so the foundation sticks better onto my skin. And if it does, then it'll last longer. For a natural yet flawless finish, I'm going to be using the Screen Queen Foundation by Milani, and I'm in the shade 350. This has a buildable light to medium coverage and blends seamlessly. As you can see, it blurs the imperfections for an even luminous natural skin finish. On my face, I'm using a damp sponge by ColourPop, and on my neck, I'm using a flat top kabuki brush by Sigma. To give my face more of a structured chisel look, just a tad bit, I'm going to go with a cream contour, and you guys know this is my favorite, the Wet n Wild Contour Stick in Call Me Maple. That's my shade that I absolutely love. But if you don't find the shade, you can go with something that's 2 shades deeper than your skin tone. I'm going to be applying it in the usual areas like in the circumference of my face, my jawline, my nose, my cheekbones, and I'm going to blend it out. Using a cream contour gives you a more natural, subtle finish because it blends in with the foundation and then you set your face. And for concealer, I'm going to be using the Milani concealer in the shade 145, my favorite. I'm just going to be using it around my eyes, and I'm going to blend it out to give me that seamless coverage. And before this creases, I'm going to set my under eyes with the Airspun Translucent Loose Powder before I set my entire face with the MAC Studio Fix Press Powder in the shade NW35. To lock my base makeup in so I can focus on the celebrations and less on my face and makeup, I'm going to be using the Milani Fruit Fetish Setting Spray. This is the mango coconut and almost smells tropical, and of course makes your makeup long lasting. For my brows, as always, I'm using my Holy Grails Quick, Simple and Flawless. This is the Precisely My Brow from Benefit in the shade 4.5. It has a super fine tip, so it gives you hair-like strokes and looks so natural. Every time I use this, people thought I use nothing on my brows, basically. So it's that good, but at the same time, your brows look very well groomed. For my eye makeup, I'm going for something that's super simple and can be quickly pulled off. At the same time, looks glamorous. And the eyeshadow palette that I'll be using is the Starlit eyeshadow palette in Siren from Juno. I love these cute little Starlit palettes by Juno. They come as a set of 4 pans and a combination of metallics and glitters and matte shadows. You can create complete looks with each palette, and it's so easy to travel with them Just toss it in your handbag and you can do makeup on the go as well. And you can create both simple looks as well as glamorous looks. I'm going to first dip into this beautiful shimmery gold shade. It's not a bright gold, it's almost like a bronzy gold and has specks of light glitter in it. With a flat shader brush, I'm going to apply it throughout my lid. Using this matte brown eyeshadow, I'm going to deepen the outer corner as well as I'm going to smoke it out in my lower lash line using a small blending brush by Colourpop. And then using a lighter metallic shade, I'm going to highlight my inner corner as well as brow bones using a flat shader brush. That's pretty much it on the eyeshadows. It's that simple. Let's finish up with some eyeliner. To tightline, I'm going to be using the Deck of Scarlet black eye pencil. And then to pull out a small wing and to line my top lash line, I'm going to be using the Liquid Liner by Ofra. This is a liquid liner pen. And to pull everything together, I'm going to be using some mascara and lashes. You can stop at mascara if you like. You don't need to apply the false lashes. But I like it a little bit more glamorous, so I'm going with the Tati lashes in TL9. Finishing up with some mascara in my lower lashes. And here is the completed eye look. Now let's finish the rest of the face before we reveal the completed look. I'm going to be using the Pixi Sugar Blossom palette to add a little bit more brightness to my face. First, I'm going with Blossom, which is this beautiful shade of blush. And to apply it, I'm using this Wet n Wild powder brush. This is something that I use for my blush all the time. And for highlighter, I'm using this beautiful shade called Sugar, and I'm going to be applying it with a round tapered top brush by Hip Dot. On my lips, I wanted to do a red with a pink undertone, so I decided to go with the Jordana Sweet Cream Matte Lipstick in Red Velvet Cake, one of my favorite shades. But of course, you can do a nude as well if you want to go for a more subtle look. I finished the look with some sindhoor, a low bun, flowers in my hair, and a beautiful saree with some jewelry. And here is the completed look. I hope you enjoyed this video and this look. It was simple enough. I know many of you can pull this off. Make sure to tag me on social media. They've all been included in the description box below, along with all the products that I used in today's tutorial. Can't wait to see your looks. And if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And please subscribe if you're new here. I post new videos every Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Sundays. I love you guys so much. I hope you're enjoying the festive season. And I'll see you soon with a brand new one. Bye guys.